Hello, my name is Krishna Kansal and I am from Grace Element Software Solutions. Today in this tutorial we are going to cover the part 4 of the IO package. So far we have discussed that three types of streams are available to all of our Java programs: system.out, system.in and system.err, and the information flows in the form of stream. And we have also discussed that the classes, the super classes of the byte-based input stream are input stream and the output stream, and the superclasses for reader and writer streams for character-based input stream are reader and the writer. In the previous video session, we have designed the program for copying the contents of a file from one file into the another file, and we have also done that with the help of character-based stream. Now in this class, in this video tutorial, we are going to discuss how to buffer the contents of the file, because if a file is containing 1000 characters, then we have to access the file 1000 times, because we will only be able to read one character at a time. So 1000 access of the files will be required to read the characters of the file, and if we want to copy the file, then we have to access the file 1000 times in which we want to copy the contents of the file. Now it will be a good idea if we buffer the contents. The buffering of the content means the collection of the content, so we will be able to read the whole line one at a time. Now that is available, or that facility is available with the help of class buffered reader. Now this is the character based stream. Now in this class we have made one object of class file reader. File reader means we are interested in reading this file a.java. Now what we are going to do in this program, we are going to display the contents of the file a.java onto the console. Now the name of this class is f, and we have imported the IO package because buffered reader and the buffered file reader, these two classes are available in the IO package. Now buffered reader, if we see the constructor of the buffered reader takes one reader stream as an input. Now this is the buffered reader. Now if we view the constructor of the buffered reader, it will take one reader stream as an input. Buffered reader stream means the stream which we want to buffer. Now here in this our program, now when we open the file with the help of file reader, our file is changed into a stream, and this stream is a character based stream, and this is also a reader stream. Now we have passed the object fr into the constructor of the buffered reader. Now this file is buffered with the help of buffered reader. Now in the class buffered reader, there is one method, readLine. Now this readLine method, with the help of this readLine method, we can read one full line at a time in the file. So if a file is having 1000 characters and suppose 40 to 50 lines, so we have to access the file only 50 times. Now a buffered reader, this readLine method returns one string as a parameter, and at the end of the file it will returns null, because no string is available for reading. Now now we have iterated the while loop, and this br is the buffered reader. In the class buffered reader there is a method called readLine. Now I am reading the line by line by line and iterating the loop, and I am printing each and every line I have read onto the console. Now after my program is finished, I have closed this particular stream. Now I am going to run this program. The name of the program is f.java. Now javac f.java. Now I hit the enter key. Now you will see the program is compiled. If the error is there, it should be displayed on the console. Now this program contains no error. Now I am running this program. The output, the contents of the file a.java are displayed on the console. Now these are the contents of the a.java. These are displayed on the console. The simple idea is that in this program we have simply used the buffering technique. It means so that the number of memory access can be reduced. Now if we want to read the full line with the help of buffered reader, and the stream is a byte based stream, stream is a byte based stream, and in the byte based stream we want to read the full line, then we have to use the class buffered reader. Now how to do that? Because the class buffered reader the class buffered reader contains the method buffered reader contains the method readLine. Now, how to buffer the class? If we have opened the file with the help of file input stream, if we have opened the file using file input stream, because file input stream is a byte based stream, and as we have already seen, the constructor of class buffered reader takes one reader stream as a parameter, but here we are having a byte stream like this. We are not having a, it will take one reader stream as a parameter, and here we are having a byte stream, but it needs a reader stream. Reader stream means character based stream. So if we are having any of the byte based stream, for example, if we want to send the data on the network, or if we are able to, if we are interested in reading the data which is coming to our computer from the network, that particular data always flows in the byte based fashion. Now if we want to buffer that particular data, then we have to use the class buffered reader, but again the problem is the buffer reader takes one character stream or the reader stream as a parameter, and in the both the cases, in the case with the file input stream and the case with the, if the data is coming from the network, we are having the byte based stream. Then what to do? Now the answer is we have to change the byte based stream. Not change is not an appropriate word. We have to convert byte based stream. Now you already had got the idea, okay, into character based stream. Now this is the only solution. Is it possible? Yes, it is always possible. Yes, it is possible. How it is possible? It is possible with the help of the class filter input stream. This is possible with the help of the class, input stream reader. This is possible with the help of the class input stream reader. Now input stream reader will take one input stream as a parameter. Input stream means byte based stream, and the reader means character based stream. Both will take the input stream, but it will take in the byte based fashion and it will take in the character based fashion. Now whatever the input stream we will pass here in the constructor of the input stream reader, this particular stream will be changed into the character based stream. As we can see in the constructor of input stream reader, now we go to the input stream reader. Here is the input stream reader. Now we see the constructor of the input stream reader. This input stream reader will take one input stream as a parameter. Now if we click on this hyperlink, now we will see this input stream reader will take one input stream, create an input stream that uses the default get set. This is the input stream. Okay. Now this will convert this byte based stream into the character based stream. Now what we have done in this program, the name of the class is f_1. We have import java.io package. Now we have opened the file for reading. Now in byte based, we have opened the file and are doing the byte based reading. Now but we want to buffer the contents of the file, but the contents of the file of this file are byte based. Now we are going to convert this byte based stream into the character based stream with the help of input stream reader. This is a bridge class, which creates a bridge between the byte based stream and the character based stream. So this is basically now a file object, or we can say this is basically an input stream which is coming from this particular file. So this particular file is converted into a byte based stream, and this byte based stream we have passed into the constructor of input stream reader. Now this byte based stream is converted into this character based stream. Now this is a IRS, is a character based stream. Now what this character based stream contains? This character based stream contains the contents of the file a.java. Now we want to buffer the content of class a.java so that we can read one line at a time. Now that is only possible with the buffered reader, but the buffered reader means needs one reader stream, and this is a byte based stream. So we have changed this our byte based stream into a character based stream. Now this is a character based stream. Now we have passed the object of this reader class matlab the character based stream into the constructor of buffered reader. Now our file will be buffered. Now we can call the readLine method on this object br, and whatever the line is returned by this method, we are saving that particular line in the variable of class string. In the end of the file, it will create return null. So whatever the line we are getting here with the help of the readLine method, we are simply printing that particular line on the console. Now we will save and run this program. The name of the program is F1. Now first I should clear the screen, and then javac and f_1 dot java. Now I compile this program. Now when I run this program, basically the contents of the file a.java will be printed on the screen, but the difference is this is a more efficient program because this is reading one line at a time. For example, this whole line is read at a time, this whole line is read at a time, this whole line is read at a time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. These are 17 lines. So the memory access will be done only 17 times. But if we use the byte based stream and do not buffer the file, then the memory access will be done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on, so on, and so on. So this is the benefit of buffering the stream. Now this is a demo class. So this is a demo program. We are having one more class, that is the byte array input stream and byte array output stream. These two streams are basically capable of reading the data from the byte array, and this stream, that is byte array output stream, is capable of writing the data into the byte array. So I have designed one demo program to make the use of this class. Which class? Byte array output stream and byte array input stream. So in this program, the name of the program is G, and I have import java.io package. Now I have created one string and I have write some text within the string. Now is the time for good man, and so and so. Now as we are going to make the use of the class that is byte array output stream. So before making the use of the class byte array output stream, we will see that there is one method in the file output stream which is capable of writing one byte array at a time. One byte array means if we go to the class that is the file output stream and we see the constructor of the file output stream, not the constructor but the write methods. Now this is the write method which can write only one integer. Now there are three write methods, and the second write method which takes one byte array, which is capable of writing one whole byte array one at a time, and we have to give the starting and the total length of that byte array. If the byte array is having 100 characters and we are interested in printing the characters from 10 to 80, then here we will give 10. And then here we will give 70, because the 70 characters we want to print, so automatically the character 10 to 80 will got printed. Now this write method is capable of printing one byte array. Now if we are having a string, now if we want to write this string onto the file, so what we are going to do, in the class string there is one method get bytes. Now what this method exactly do, this method converts, which method? Get bytes, converts this whole string into the byte array. Now I have created one object of class file output stream, and in the object of class file output stream will open one file, file1.txt. Now the reference of file output stream is saved in the output stream. This makes no difference whether we can also write here file output stream. This doesn't make any difference, but this is a more intelligent program, because we always know the reference of a superclass can always refer to the object of a subclass. So this is the subclass and this is the superclass. So it doesn't make any difference. So the name of the object is F0. Now we are iterating the loop, and the iteration of the loop, what I am exactly doing, because this is a buffer and I am writing one byte at a time. I am writing one byte at a time with the help of the class output stream. Now if I go to the class output stream, So this is the class output stream. Where it is, yeah, here is the class output stream. Now in the output stream there is one method. There are also three methods, like it can write the array of bytes, then the write of array of bytes from the starting index, from the end index, and the write method which can write an integer. Now I am writing one character at a time. Okay, this is a simple demo program, but if we are not interested in this, we are directly interested in this particular part. Yes, this particular part. Okay. Now this file output stream has opened one file, file2.txt. Now we want to write this complete buffer one at a time. So whatever be the length of the string you might be having, that is all written one at a time. So the memory access will be only one time, because you have converted this particular whole file, the content of the whole file, into a buffer. Now this write method is capable of writing the whole buffer at a time. Now this file is closed. Now we will save this program, and the name of this class is G. Now I compile this program, g.java, and no errors are there. We are saving the contents, matlab we are saving this particular string into the file file2.txt. Now we run this program and we press the enter key. Now the program has been run. Now we will go to the IO package and we will see one class file2.txt, and we have find this complete string here, this complete. Now is the time for all good man, and in this file what are the contents of the file. Now is the time for all good man. Okay, now we have already seen if we are having a byte based stream, and if we want to use the method, which method, like buffered, if you want to buffer that particular byte based stream, then we have to first convert the byte based stream into the character based stream, and that is possible with the help of input stream reader. And if you want to buffer the output stream, then we have to use output stream output stream writer. So there are two class file input stream reader, input stream reader, and this is the input stream reader, and the class input stream writer. So the input stream reader converts the input stream, byte based input stream, into the character based input stream, and output stream writer is a subsequent class of this, which converts the byte based output stream into the character based output stream. Now in the next class we will see a very important topic of the Java language and very important aspect of the Java language, and that is serialization. Serialization is basically an interface which indicates the object of this class can be saved into some persistent storage. Persistent storage means any of the file or database. Persistent storage means so that the object of the class can be retrieved later on. So the storage should be a persistent storage. So if we want to save the status of our program, then we have to save the objects of that particular class into the persistent storage. So in the next later video session, we will see how to save our program into the persistent storage, and that particular video tutorial will be uploaded with the name IO part 5. Okay, goodbye for now. Good day.